welcome back to RachandBella Crafts. Hope you're well. So I just turned the camera on to do a quick tutorial today because I'm just starting here making a little, well, it's not really a file folder I suppose, but just something for Happy Mail. And I thought, I may as well put the camera on and show you guys what I'm doing. So basically I've taken this page of the Christmas past kit. We backed the inside of that. I will put the link to this kit in my description box because I know you all love the lace kit. It's beautiful. And what I'm going to do is just make like a little fold thing with a series of pockets in there because I want to send some Happy Mail. We have got our Friendly Friday event now happening in our Facebook group, and I need to get something to put all the little bits of ephemera in that I'm sending to my partner. So I was just opening up an envelope and I was just going to shovel this stuff in, and I thought, oh Rachel, come on, you really should be making more of an effort than that. And I then remembered I've got all of this stuff fussy cut from last week in the A to Z, which I didn't get to use obviously because I was poorly. So I've got quite a few bits ready. I'm just going to quickly show you how I'm going to construct mine. Now, quite a few of the girls, well, a couple of the girls did some variations of things like this in the A to Z. So there's some really different types that you could do. If you want to go and check out their videos, we have a playlist on our channel, A to Z of Christmas Crafts. And I just thought, I'll just give it a go, and I'm going to just use some of the pockets, some of the tucks, some of the envelopes. I'm just going to take the wire out of this ribbon. There we go. So I've picked this specific bit of ribbon because it reminded me of Mehatage's one with her lovely boho trims. So I'm going to pop that in there. It feels like quite suede actually. But what I'm going to do with this one here, I really want to put this picture in. It's a bit big to just use as a pocket. So I thought, how can I make this into a pocket? Bear in mind, this whole thing is about storage. Everything's going to get just lost in it because there were lots of little things to put in. Stickers and stuff like that. So I thought, I'm going to make it into a flip down. So I've stamped on the back, ready, and I thought, okay, so it's going to flip this way. Great, I could use these then as little tuck spot things, but I don't want to make the hole in the top because otherwise when it flips back up, everything's going to fall out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have them open at the bottom so then I can then tuck things up inside, and hopefully they'll open it on a desk, not on the lap, and it won't all fall out the bottom. But otherwise they would be flipping it open and everything will have shot out the back there. Does that make sense? So I'm going to stick those on there. I want to do some stitching around the edges. I want to stitch around the edge of this. Then I'm going to I've taken some of the pockets out of the kit. I've folded them up, I've inked them up ready. And I'm going to just try and make a series then of little pockets and tuck spots all around the inside here. So I'm thinking something along the lines of this maybe. I might put that one there because obviously they're smallish things I'm putting in. And then I want to use that envelope then to put some bits and pieces in. So I've inked that ready. And then I'm going to put that on the back with a pocket. I want to stitch this sentiment here. We've got one of the little verses out of the kit. And I'm going to pop that onto this lovely bit of vintage lace because I just think that'll look rather lovely. And then, have I lost a pocket? I don't know, maybe I haven't. Okay, so I'm going to start assembling this. Oh, I've got a bit of fabric here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Right, so I've got a bit of fabric now, and I'm going to use the fabric on the bottom of here to form my hinge. So the fabric will be fitted onto the bottom of the page like that. And I'm going to do all of this before I stitch around everything, so it's all like doubly in place. In fact, I want to do that now. Do I want to stitch? No, I won't. I'll stitch it onto the card first and then we'll stitch it onto the cover. But this will go across the bottom of here. So let me just put a little bit of oohoo on there. And then you'll be able to see what it is I'm trying to explain. Because me being me, I don't explain things terribly well. I hope you can see that. I am sorry about the horrific shadow. It's because I got the overhead light on and the shadow is cast from my phone above. It's you guys, you're casting the shadow. I'm sorry. You're in your own way, but there we are. Right, so that will go there, and then I will stick that on there. We'll stitch that on, and then this will flip and flap up, and then I will show you how I plan to close it. That's if I haven't swept away when I was tidying then the little piece that I had ready. I don't think I have though. So I'm going to quickly go and stitch, and then I will be back. Okay, so we're back from the sewing machine. I have stitched all around the edge of my little file folder. I have also added some stitching around here, and I have stitched the fabric. I glued the fabric on and I then stitched it there, and I've also stitched it to the card, so that shouldn't be going anywhere now. I've also then stitched around each of the pockets. My naughty what's the word, needle caught on my pocket, so to remedy that I've just put some lovely Christmassy trim on the top, so that's fine. And I have stitched around this pocket here. Obviously you won't see that, and I didn't want to stitch those down because obviously I wouldn't be able to slide anything in and out. And I have stitched the bottom of this one here and a little bit on the top there, so that you'll still be able to access that. I've stitched around these with a little decorative, excuse my chip nail varnish, with a decorative stitch, that's the word I'm looking for. And then I have just done a really thin running stitch around that, and then a little bit of decoration on the top of that. So that's all of the stitching done. So we're just going to now put these pockets onto the back of here. Let's just get that on there now. So it shouldn't take long at all, and I just need to of course remind myself that I'm going to stick them kind of upside down for my view, just so that when they open it, it doesn't all fall out the other way. So I'm going to put one there and one there. Hopefully this will make a really decent little Happy Mail holder for all of the little bits and pieces that I wanted to send. We'll see now. So I'm going to just go on and get all these bits glued on, and then I will show you at the end then what I've done. Okay. go. I think that's everything done. That's our tag. They're stitched and ready to go in with a little message on the back. And then we've got a little pocket in the front here. Let's just pop a little more glue on that. Bit of lace there. So a little pocket here. Pocket, pocket. Flip down, pocket, pocket. Well, tuck, tuck. I suppose that's probably a better description. Pocket, pocket, and pocket with a little envelope in. So there we are. Nice and simple, easy for your Happy Mail. And all done with one sheet of paper. And well, I think I actually used 100 GSM paper there. It's not the thin copy paper stuff, but I find once you put a little bit of stitching around the outside, it firms it quite nicely. So hopefully my swap partner will like that, and she'll enjoy a Friday friendly Friday. Yeah, friendly Friday. Okay. All right, well, I'll leave it at that, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be back with you very soon. Take care now. Bye.